Good morning, you guys, and welcome. For today's video, we are creating a soft, matte, wearable work look. Today we are using the Tati Beauty palette once again. This is truly the perfect all-around palette. I love it. I have been using it tons. I'm going to take you through step by step so you know exactly what you're going to do with the eyes. So we're going to get right into the video. Starting off, I'm doing my brows using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Duo in the shade medium brown. So I'm just brushing up my brows, then I'm taking the cooler tone, filling in the spares of my brows. Using my bar soap, I'm applying it to the hairs, combing them upwards. Then using my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm applying this to my entire eye area as a primer, buffing it in using my June & Co sponge. This is the Tati Beauty Textural Neutral palette, up close and personal. Grabbing the shade Soothe Matte with the flat shading brush, I'm applying this to my entire mobile lid using a stamping motion. With a swiping motion, I am applying it to my eye socket as well. With no additional shade, I take a fluffy crease brush and I blend the color into my crease, making for soft edges, dragging this up towards my brow bone as well as outwards toward the third part of my eye, really diffusing all the harsh edges and any sharp lines. Going back to the palette, I take Ritual Matte, a gorgeous dark chocolate color on a smaller fluffy brush, applying it to the third part of my eye with a light hand. I do this in circular motion, buffing in any harsh edges. This color is one of those shades that can be a bit hard to blend and also come across as a little bit patchy unless you use the building technique, which means that you're supposed to build up the colors rather than just applying one harsh stroke of color. I'm then just applying the same shade to my bottom lash line, connecting it with the upper lid shade to create a little bit more dimension and a little bit more depth in the eye. You can choose to stop here for an all matte look, but I'm going to grab the shade Soothe Metallic using my Morphe E36 and apply this to the inner corners to brighten up the eye and make my eyes look bigger and brighter. For my mascara, I'm using my By Terry Lash Expert Twist Brush. This is an insane mascara, as it allows you to twist the brush, which makes it super easy to get into the root of your lashes. Here's a picture of me with mascara and without mascara. So what I like to do is I like to twist the brush so that it becomes the thickest as it can get, then get into my roots. Then I untwist it and use it to create length as well as on my bottom lashes, as it does make it super easy to get into those small hairs. Then with a Q-tip, I am removing all the dark speckles from my mascara, after they dried off of course, and any fall off. There you have an all matte or not look, great for every day and all year around. I do love this look and it is super simple. It literally is a 2 shadow look. Finally, for my lips, I'm using the MDA Flow in the color Bossy. This is a cool tone lipstick. Then topping it off, I'm just using my Buxom lip gloss. This is the color Bellini. It is one of my favorite colors by Buxom. And for my hair, what I tend to do is I just tend to let it down and put it behind my ears. And that's pretty much it. These are the curls that I did yesterday. I do think that they look quite alright today as well, and there's not too much happening on that front. And that, you guys, was the finished look. I think it's a stunning everyday look. It's very simple on the skin. It is dewy, it is glowy, it is pretty. There is a little bit more happening to your eyes than just your regular mascara and eyebrow, and it is literally a 2-shade eyeshadow look. But that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and that the video was easy to follow along with. And make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. You can also follow me on my other channels if you want to see pictorials and videos and small clips and stuff like that. I do have all my other accounts linked somewhere in this video. I don't really know when or where because I am not a pro. So thank you again for watching, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!